And now it's time for Slime You're It! With your host, Rocky Stardust! And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome back to Slime You're It! The show where one of our furry, feathery, and slithery friends makes you a brand new slime. Are you ready to see who the wheel chooses today? Let's do it! Magic wheels, spin, spin, spin. Stop for the feature, who will win?
Mystery card.
We've landed on mystery card. Let's see who our mystery guest is this week. It's the Messitt twins from Fuller House.
Let's begin! Space slime featuring the Messitt twins. Add water. Add clear glue. Mix! Add more water. Mix! Add activator. Mix! Add black paint. Whoa! Mix! More activator. Mix! Mix! Time to play!
Thanks for watching Slime You're It. Want to join in on the fun? Hashtag Slime You're It on a video with your request. Details in the description below. And remember, you are UniLand.
See you next